We are at Regent on the Park 1 on Sukhumvit 26. We're only about 7-minute walk from the Phrom Phong BTS. We're going to check out this apartment. If you're looking for a budget condo or apartment that's close to where all the action is along Sukhumvit, this might be the place for you. All right, let's go check it out. You ready? Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Gym, basic gym, nothing special, but you got some dumbbells, a few weights, a couple benches, elliptical bikes and treadmill. So the basic stuff. And then the pool here, small pool. So if you don't care about doing laps, this would be perfect. And you say this is the only one on this
Correct.
floor?
Only apartment on the floor.
Oh, wow.
As you can see, you've got the private lift there, but they're doing some renovations outside. It should be done, I think, tomorrow.
Okay.
But basically, this is it. So,
Oh, awesome. Okay. Do you need me to take my shoes off?
No, go with it.
Okay, all right. So what's the square footage on this? Or square meters?
40 square meters.
40 square meters, okay.
Yeah.
So you got a decent sized television. Let me get the wide angle on this. There we go. There's your kitchen area, lots of cabinet space. And then table, 3 chairs, and couch. AC feels good. I've been doing a little walking. I walked here from M-Sphere Mall,
Okay.
so let me get a little different angle here so you can get an idea of the size. So not a bad size, 40 square meters. So that's anything 40 and above is good. You get below 40 and it gets to be real cramped. Ooh, nice big king size bed.
Yeah, decent sized room.
Let's see how. Oh, good. It's hard to find soft mattresses in Asia. Usually they're hard as a rock, but this one's nice and soft. So nice sized bedroom, big chest of drawers, and another TV, and then here's your wardrobe. Lots of space there.
Yeah.
It goes all the way back on the other side too. So you got a lot of room for storage, and another AC. And then the bathroom, you can hear them working. You said they're going to be done with that when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh, good. All right, so you got a nice shower, walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a handheld. More cabinet space here. Nice big mirror, nice lighting. Of course, the heater for the shower. So good size. And then you got a washing machine too, so that's good.
Washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer. Oh, nice. That's not very common either here. And so 40 square meters. What's the rent?
25,000 a month.
25, and then deposit
Would be 2 months.
2 months. Okay. Okay.
Standard.
Great. All right. So if you want to live in one of the hip areas of the Phrom Phong area, and you want to live on a more of a budget, this is ideal. This is an ideal place. And it's, how far is it to the
7 minutes away.
7-minute walk to the Phrom Phong BTS. So super convenient and good price and nice size. So I'll put all the information down below in the description how to contact. And if I don't take it, then it's open for you guys. So you can sit out here, have your morning coffee right out by the pool, basically. So that's kind of neat. And it's all covered. So kind of nice. Okay, just finished the condo tour. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. It's a basic condo, or apartment actually. The nice thing, here's the pluses. It's close to Phrom Phong BTS. We're walking it right now, so I can tell you exactly how long it's going to take to get there. So it's close to the Phrom Phong BTS. It's close to where all the action is along Sukhumvit. So it's real convenient as far as location. It's offset, so it's in a quiet area, so you're not going to hear all this traffic. Another plus is there's only one apartment on that floor, and that's this one. So you don't have neighbors, so you don't have anybody, you don't share any walls or anything like that. So it's good size. It's 40 square meters. Got a decent sized living room, okay kitchen, you know, the basics. It's got a nice sized bedroom, big king size bed with a nice soft mattress. And then the bathroom's nice with a walk-in shower. It's got a little pool, small pool. Can't do laps or anything like that, but if you want to cool off in the afternoon, you could take a dip in the pool. It's got a small workout facility. So if you're big into working out, probably not going to be sufficient enough for you. So you probably have to get a membership somewhere. But on the plus side, you know, it's location, location, location. It's really good. The cost is very good for this area. You know, it doesn't cost hardly anything. 1 month rent, 2 months deposit to move in. It's available right now. I'll put the contact information down below so you can see all the information if you want to look at this place. I didn't ask about short-term leases, like a 6-month lease. I didn't ask about that. So that's something you might ask if you're interested in this place. Might ask if they do 6 months. But you know what? This is a good location. You could do a year easily and be super happy, I think. There's a lot of like coffee shops like across the street there. There's niche coffee shop there. It's a little pricey. It's going to be like a Starbucks price type of thing. There's some other nice little restaurants along the way here on 26. There's also a couple of 7-Elevens, so that's nice. There's an Intan coffee shop right across the street. Intanin coffee shop across the street. Let's see, you got some massage places too. So if you want to get a Thai massage, you don't have to walk very far for that. Hello, sawadee krap. Hello, sawadee krap. สบายดีไหม Let's see, there's the exchange. So if you need to exchange cash, currency, there's an exchange station there. There's a couple of really neat restaurants here that are Michelin rated. So like this one, and it's always really busy. So we'll check it out. You can see it's had every year basically since 2018. It's got a Michelin rating, not a star, but a Michelin rating. So it's very, very popular place, very good food, and a decent price too. And then they got another one right down here across the street. There's another, and I don't know if it's the same owner or not. I think it's the same owner, same shop, just right across the street. So you don't have to cross traffic to find it. And they've got the new Michelin rating up there, the 2025. So, and then there's 7-Eleven, of course. But we're almost to Sukhumvit right now. It's right up ahead. One more block and we'll be on Sukhumvit. And then you just walk about 2 blocks down, and you can get on the BTS. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think this is a decent place for the price? It's basic. It's the basic stuff. That's what you're going to get. If you want them to pay for Wi-Fi, you got to pay a little extra. But you can get your own Wi-Fi. And I'm not sure if they provide it. I'm not sure what the download, upload speeds are going to be. But you can, if you're interested in this place, if I don't take it, then hello. Then by all means grab it if you're in the area. But I have a feeling it's going to go pretty fast because for the price and the location, you can't beat it, really. So here we are at Sukhumvit right now. So we're just a block. Let me show you. Right there. There's Phrom Phong BTS right up ahead. So you're in good shape as far as getting on the BTS if you need to go anywhere. And then street food, they got lots of street food here too. So right here and then farther down too. All right, so here's more street food. So if you want to get some street food, coming or going to your apartment, you got that option. Sawadee Krab. And then here's the BTS station, so we can just go upstairs. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? Is it worth the price? Is the location a good location? Like, share, and subscribe as always. Live life, my friend, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.